Namar kerja kelumar pak Bangladesh. Hadu kepada penlong ya ke Prime Minister jangan Bangladesh ke Sheikh Hasina pakan hierarki bat petno dal ka jongkari. Kasolkan Meghalaya mata kasngi kada Pynjari ya ke Korphiw haki Khappud ani habarok center Khappud jangka Meghalaya bat ke Bangladesh. Ya kan dia tu buat peristun tensong obor itu bola lumjalang Kyrkieh mata kasngi ya barok ke officer ki biasa buat ki pulit. Haka bala Pynjari ya ke Korphiw haki Khappud jangka jalan Meghalaya bat ke Bangladesh. Makan di ke Korphiw kan long tangha aspa meter kata Naduh 0.1 put usam dan sepok jangka jalan Meghalaya. Kini ke Korphiw kan senang duduk ke pohon 2 baje janbit adu ke pohon 2 baje mestap mana kasngi tak adu banawan phapat ke song hosan hakatai kari. Haka juga pole itu bak Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina kalau pet India bak lahir dekat lingson nya Delhi bak Nadelhi la sotu pakan di pet London London.
So today evening I call a meeting urgently on seeing the situation of Bangladesh government, which has already, I should say, collapsed. Then we had a meeting today at around 5:30 with the officers or chief secretary or DGP and also from the office of the IGBSF. So we discussed certain issues because we really don't know the situation in the near future. But to a proactive measure we need to take for the interest of the state as well as for the interest of the country as a whole. So today we decided to impose curfew all along the international border with Bangladesh from tonight itself, and this curfew will be implemented only up to 200 meters inside the Indian territory from the 0 point or from the pillar, we call it, from the pillar, from the international pillar, 200 meters inside the Indian territory from 6 p.m. up to 6 a.m. in the morning every day till the situation is improved. Then the government again will take further decision on this imposition of the curfew. So that is the decision we taken today, and the curfew will start, as I said to you, immediately from tonight. So I would like to request all the citizens of the state staying in those areas to kindly bear with the government for imposition of this curfew policy. As I said to you, we don't know yet the situation in Bangladesh. So I would like to request all the citizens of the state, especially for our citizens who stays in the border area between Bangladesh, to kindly cooperate and also to be ready in case if there is any information they receive. The state government as well as the IG or the BSF personnel are always there 24/7.